Hello guys, welcome back to our brand identity design course. In this video, you will design your first logo mark in Adobe Illustrator. But before that, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. This will help me to create more videos like this. Now let us put all we have learned together in Adobe Illustrator to design our first logo mark. We will still cover logo design thoroughly in our future videos. A logo mark is a graphical or symbolic element of a logo that represents a brand. It is typically an icon, symbol, or image without text or typography. Designing your logo should be on a strategy and what the brand wants to portray. But for this video, we only want to use the tools we have been learning so far. Open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document. Draw a shape that will serve as the foundation of your logo. I will use the curvature tool to design a good shape which will act as a base logo. I will also use the helix tools to draw a circle which will enclose the shape I have created earlier with curvature tool. Now take your time to ensure the shape aligns well with the circle. After doing that, right click on the upper circle, click arrange and click send to back to bring the circle underneath. You can also change the shape color to make it visible. Now let us convert the stroke into a filled shapes, enabling detail modification and ensuring compatibility for printing and exporting. Select the objects with the stroke. Go to Object menu and choose Expand. Perfect. Now select the objects. Then go to the toolbar and select the shape builder. Then remove all the excess shapes by pressing Alt and left click. Perfect. Now select the shapes and go to the Pathfinder. Then select Unite to convert all the shapes to a single logo mark. Perfect. You have just created your first logo mark. You can now add color or text to make your entire logo. Before we go, let us create another logo mark from sketching. Draw your logo on paper. You can use a pencil or pen to create a clean and well-defined sketch. You need to focus on clarity and keep the line as precise as possible. After sketching, use a scanner or a smartphone to capture the sketch. Ensure there is a good lighting and high contrast for better results. Now open Adobe Illustrator. Go to File. Then click Place. Select your sketch on your computer and position it on the canvas. Now select the paper on the canvas and reduce the opacity to make your line visible. Then lock the sketch layer. Select the paper, go to Object, then click Lock. Then select to lock the paper. Now go to the toolbar and select the line segment tool. Use the line to create a grid for your logo mark. Now take your time and ensure the grid lines are in equal proportion. After doing that, now select all objects and choose a fill color. You can turn off the outline color if you don't need it. Now choose the shape builder tool from the toolbar. Then carefully draw the shape you have in your sketch. Perfect. Now select your logo mark by selecting each shape and press Shift on your keyboard. With the shape builder tool, delete all unwanted shapes from the artboard. Now select the logo mark, then go to Pathfinder and select Unite. Perfect. You have just created another logo using Sketch. If you find this video valuable, please like, share and hit the subscribe button. This will help me create more videos like this. See you in the next video.